Hi there and welcome at Smully Art. The title of this video already gave it away, so I entered a drawing competition. I stumbled upon it by accident while scrolling to Instagram, and it's a drawing competition in honor of the launch of a brand new comic, Wardane. So I went to their website to see what it's all about, and I really liked the vibe of this brand new sci-fi story. So let's hop on to their website to check it out. So Wardane is a sci-fi comic created by artist Patrick Cornelis, colorist Shiro Di Rosso and writer Marc Legendre. This last one is comic royalty. Marc Legendre writes some of the biggest titles that are published in Europe right now. To take part in the competition, I have to draw one of the main characters, Wardane or Reese, in an action scene. The drawing has to be in black and white, as one of the cool prizes is that the colorist Shiro Di Rosso will color the winning entry, and it will be published as a full page in the sketchbook that is part of the Kickstarter campaign, which is already funded, by the way. Are you interested in this amazing comic? I'll put a link to the website in the description. Long ago, the Mariana Trench was the deepest known place in the Pacific. The pressure on the bottom was 1,000 times higher than that on the surface, making thorough investigation impossible. And even now that the water has disappeared, the lagoon, as the trench now is officially called, remains an area full of mysteries and riddles, where panic reigns and logic is lost. A wise man chooses an armed convoy to join, while fools risk the journey through the trench on foot. Wardane offers his services as a guide and tries to think as little as possible about what is happening in the lagoon, until it gets completely out of hand during a passage and he has no choice but to intervene. Okay, the rough sketch is done, time to break out some pencils to finish these lines and to add more details. That the pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is thinking time. Here we go. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys like my drawing for the wardane drawing competition. Do you think I will win? I don't know, but that's not the most important part. The most important part is of course that we had fun. And if you guys like this video, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you want to help me and this channel even more, please share this content on all your social media platforms. It would help a lot. I wish you all a great weekend, my friends. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!